Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to follow someone on eToro. To follow someone on eToro, first of all, launch open the eToro app and make sure to log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the Discover button at the bottom of the screen right next to Portfolio. Now, from the top option, go ahead and tap on Copy Trader. You will then be able to find top traders and investors. Go ahead and look for the investor that you want to follow from the list, or you can also go ahead and type in the name of the trader in the search box. After you search for your name, inside the People tab, you will be able to see a list of traders available. To follow a certain trader, tap on the Copy button right next to their name. You can also go ahead and tap on their name from the list and then click on the little plus button at the top right, and you will be able to add the certain person to your watch list. After you add them to your watch list, this will help you monitor them without copying their trades. But if you choose to tap on the Copy button, this will allow you not only to follow the trader, but also automatically replicate their trades. So that's how you follow someone on eToro application using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.